In the previous video, you have admired the unique agricultural machines, the monsters of the field. But this time, fasten your seatbelts, because you are about to enter the arena of giants of transportation. Starting with limitless power, the Cummins Hill Climb 12-valve engine roars fiercely, billowing smoke as soon as it starts. Each revolution is a powerful push, ready to conquer all harsh terrain and the biggest challenges. The power of this machine is really impressive, isn't it? Leave a number 1 if you feel it too. Not to be missed is the peak horsepower display. The Duramax engine roars fiercely, easily pulling the stuck pickup out of the thick snow. The enduring power and power make all limits seem to melt away in the ice. Next, the cat excavator was stuck, struggling in the middle of a muddy quagmire. The engine roared, the track spun helplessly. Next door, another excavator unleashed maximum horsepower, pulling the chain taut in a suffocating rescue attempt between deep mud and hot steel. With absolute power and precision, the Elblong tilting boat elevator is powered by the water flow from the top-level canal. The water is released, turning a giant water wheel, transmitting the pulling force to the entire system to move smoothly like a giant machine. Immediately after, the Heener heavy-duty truck and the Cat 777B dump truck, the largest load-carrying machine Marson has ever operated, roared fiercely. The two mechanical beasts showed off their superior horsepower, ready to conquer all load limits. On the journey to conquer all terrains, Banks Bros coordinates a fleet of monster vehicles, powerful Cat 785 dump trucks, durable Mercedes 6x4 cargo beds, and roaring Volvo FH 16 gears. Each machine is a symbol of horsepower, ready to overcome all terrain challenges. If you are interested in these thrilling scenes, don't forget to leave comment number 1. Oh my God, a terrible accident at the port. Seaboard marine crane suddenly lost control while lifting heavy cargo. The high horsepower engine roared violently. Steel collided loudly, shaking the whole area. A breathtaking moment in the heart of the seaport. Marking a major step forward, the Freightliner twin tractor in Elko, Nevada roars with tremendous horsepower. With its enormous engine power, this powerful machine easily overcomes the steepest slopes and the most difficult roads, demonstrating superior performance that no competitor can match. Logging truck drivers operate powerful, durable engines on rugged terrain. These deforestation businesses transport tons of timber, demonstrating superior mechanical strength, conquering all challenges in the arduous agricultural industry. Expand new planting areas with the powerful horsepower of the New Holland D170 tractor. This durable machine easily tackles difficult terrain, increasing productivity and clearing large areas of land efficiently and quickly. Opening a new era of power, the Caterpillar 657B Paul Davies and its twin-engine Cat motor scraper created a fierce, roaring symphony. Their formidable engine power competed fiercely, asserting their leading position and the pinnacle of technology in every acceleration. Leave comment number 1 if you are also impressed with this giant machine. Nothing can stop the JCB, with its 300 horsepower engine roaring strongly, stubbornly blocking the river's rapid flow. The absolute power of the machine against the fierce nature, showing its superior durability and power. Witness the impressive display of horsepower as the powerful self-propelled excavator transports cargo from a low-slung truck to the ground. The durable engine roars, demonstrating superior power in every precise and powerful movement. Oh no. The Strasbourg 475 roared forward and slammed into the stationary excavator. The wrong placement of the equipment caused the dozer blade to be pushed behind the lorry. When the vehicle was in position, the powerful engine operated the dozer blade like a lift, increasing the vehicle's ground clearance. Fortunately, no accident occurred during that tense moment. The power of the Hagi Ride 83mm twin dragline roars with powerful horsepower, making it the perfect replacement for the P&H 9020 dragline. The superior pulling power of this new machine represents the pinnacle of mechanical power, ready to conquer the most severe challenges. It was impressive to see the John Deere excavator stuck, but the horsepower engine and hydraulic pump were running at 50% power. Slowly releasing power, the machine gradually got out of the mud, demonstrating outstanding durability and efficiency. The second ditch jumping training session was full of drama as the wheel loader roared its power. The powerful mechanical machine rushed through the challenge, showing off its outstanding flexibility and strength in each exciting and satisfying jump. Leave comment number 1 if you are excited about the power of these giant machines. In the open pit mines, mechanical monsters like the Cat 797F, Komatsu 980E and 930E have rewritten the definition of power. Their roar is not just a sound, but a declaration of power, challenging all dangerous roads and rough terrain. These machines have proven their durability and outstanding performance. Ushering in a new era of power, the 17,637,000 pound giant excavator roars with power. This giant machine dominates the coal mining industry, demonstrating unparalleled power and unprecedented heavy engineering technology. If you are also overwhelmed by this power, don't forget to leave a number 1 below. Next up is the Komatsu 930E mining truck, roaring with tremendous horsepower, quickly unloading cargo on a large mine site. The engine's superior power helps the machine move and transport huge loads efficiently, conquering all difficult terrains in the mining industry. Immediately afterwards, a show of destruction took place. The Liebherr R964C and the Genesis GXP 700R roared together, plowing into the Bauknecht-Schorndorf construction site. With absolute engine power and precision, they turned a sturdy construction into rubble in the blink of an eye. Continuing the unbridled power, Cat 336E, MAN and Mercedes trucks roar with powerful horsepower, working together to demolish railway tracks in Zurich, CH. The superior mechanical power enables fast and precise dismantling on challenging construction sites, demonstrating the excellent performance and durability of each machine. Unlimited power. The Euclid EH5000 monster truck roars with its massive horsepower, carrying tons of massive materials. This giant machine is a symbol of power and advanced technology, conquering all difficult terrains with unstoppable superior performance. In the muddy construction site, the Hydrima 922C dump truck, along with the Komatsu PC290LC and PC240LC, roared with powerful horsepower. The perfect coordination of these machines helps to complete the project effectively, conquering all the challenges of harsh terrain with superior power. A race against time is underway on the construction site. The Hydrima 806 wheel loader roared, demonstrating its fierce power and absolute precision as it poured lime into the spreader. The perfect combination of machines created a rhythmic chain of actions, ensuring that all work was carried out quickly and efficiently, conquering the most difficult challenges. Starting with raw power, the Ponce roars with ferocious horsepower, cutting and loading logs with agility across the jungle terrain. This machine embodies durability and precision, overcoming all the challenges of the arduous logging work. Drop a number 1 in the comments if you are also impressed by these machines. A giant on the job site, the P&H 4100 wireline excavator roars with power, working hard at a variety of mining sites. This heavy-duty machine demonstrates superior strength and durability, conquering all the harsh challenges of the mining industry. Challenging and precise, the powerful Bobcat roars its horsepower, lifted onto the truck without the need for a ramp. Skillful engineering combines mechanical strength, demonstrating superior dexterity and endurance in all difficult transport situations. Unstoppable power, the Cat D9R rumbles with ferocious horsepower, equipped with Flamsteed equipment raking accessories. This machine easily clears bushes, conquers harsh outback areas, demonstrating outstanding durability and efficiency on all terrains. Powerful and durable, the Volvo FH550 roars with top-notch timber hauling horsepower on the Alpine track. From the top of Mont Guillaume down the steep slopes, the vehicle demonstrates excellent control and outstanding power, conquering every harsh challenge. Unleashing its hidden power, the Bobcat wheel loader roars with powerful horsepower, demonstrating its versatility and power on the job site. This compact machine handles work quickly and accurately, demonstrating outstanding durability in every difficult challenge. Drop a number 1 in the comments section if you are also impressed by the incredible power of this machine. Power bursts forth. Dodge and Peterbilt pickups roar with horsepower, pulling each other in a thrilling showdown. This intense race showcases superior endurance and traction, conquering every challenge on the grueling track. In the icy Swiss mountains, the DFBR-12 steam snowplow roars with power, powerfully breaking through the thick layer of snow. This classic machine not only conquers the harsh weather, but also preserves the timeless technical essence of the cold land. Not stopping there, WCRC 47760 and 37516, together with Network Rail Independent Drift Plow, roared with powerful horsepower, plowing deep into the thick layer of snow on the side tracks. The machines coordinated perfectly, ensuring the safety and smooth operation of the railway system in harsh conditions. Heavy machinery roars with power, constructing 10-meter D400 steel sheet piles at Pyeongtaek, Section 8 of the Seaway. This powerful and precise machine ensures a solid foundation, conquering all technical challenges on the harsh construction site. Asserting the pinnacle of technology, the XCMG XC958EV electric excavator roars with impressive horsepower, with a long arm and a large 5 cubic meter bucket. This modern machine combines power and high performance, operates smoothly, conquering all heavy digging jobs on harsh construction sites. Standing out with its powerful power, the Caterpillar 345 CLRE excavator from Ballast Nadam Longreach roars with horsepower, equipped with an outstanding extension boom. This machine easily conquers deep and complex digging jobs on large construction sites. If you are also fascinated by these eye-catching explosive scenes, don't hesitate to drop the number 1 in the comments section below. Are you overwhelmed by these monsters? Comment number 1 now. Only for the brave or the reckless, Vitimsky, the bridge of death in the middle of the wild Siberia, is the ultimate test of nerves of steel.
Между прочим, высота моста очень...
The bridge is rotten without railings, and the slightest mistake is enough to send the car plunging into the icy river below.
Поехал дальше. Счастливо, мужики.
In the midst of the wet and muddy forest, the Belarus MTZ 1025 roars through the harsh terrain. The powerful engine and flexible drive system help this tractor overcome deep mud, tree roots, and slippery slopes with resilience, demonstrating its strength that cannot be underestimated. The best homemade wood splitter is back with a powerful performance. Each large log is split in two, decisively under the sharp splitting blade and powerful engine, bringing high efficiency in each rough but precise operation. In a majestic scene, the giant excavator slowly advanced, digging deep into the ground and lifting the stubborn tree stump. With strong pulling force and precise hydraulic mechanism, the machine easily removed the tree stump, clearing the ground in a snap.
Oh my. Spokojno.
Appearing like a modern warrior, the new Adro Dominator wood processor with its innovative hydraulic system processes wood quickly and powerfully. Each log is cut, split, and pressed continuously, creating an impressive mechanized scene and outstanding efficiency. Spectacular scene as Fasulas heavy transports loads and transports the giant Caterpillar 245 side loader. With absolute precision and specialized equipment, the heavy machine is lifted, tilted, and secured safely for the challenging transport journey. The spectacular sight of the mothership unloading cargo, the giant crane slowly lowering the suspended trucks into the port. With a lifting capacity of hundreds of tons and absolute precision, this crane system represents the pinnacle of modern logistics and maritime transport technology. Leave comment number 1 if you are truly impressed by the power of these machines. When it comes to handling scrap cars quickly and efficiently, the Brandenburg Auto Presse RR5 is the top choice. With its powerful hydraulics and sturdy steel construction, it easily compacts car bodies into neat, ready-to-recycle bales. A serious incident has just occurred at the port. A container ship that was anchored suddenly collided with another ship. Creating a violent shaking that caused 2 giant gantry cranes to collapse in a moment of chaos and terror. In a dramatic battle between the heavyweight Semi and the powerful Chevy Dually, the 2 roaring machines engage in a no-holds-barred confrontation. With big engines and maximum traction, who will rule the road in this horsepower showdown? Scrap metal becomes too bulky to store or transport. The Y81 series hydraulic press is the optimal solution. With the ability to compress into standard shapes and easy operation by PLC control, it saves space and costs significantly. The 2002 Brush Bandit 280 HD hydraulic disc crusher is a powerful forestry machine that specializes in processing large branches and logs. With a high-power motor and a stable hydraulic system, this machine crushes quickly, efficiently, and durably in all harsh working conditions. When absolute speed and precision are required, the Brandenburg SP350 baler is the top choice. With its guillotine-like cross-cutting mechanism, the machine processes all types of steel scrap quickly, powerfully, and completely eliminates the risk of material jamming. Scrap metal recycling is carried out using modern equipment and high-power motors. Crushers, presses, and automatic sorting systems help to process scrap quickly, turning it into a valuable resource for the industry. When power and precision are needed in deep woods, the TimberPro TL735C with Quadco hot saw is an irreplaceable choice. With a powerful engine and flexible cutting system, this machine handles large tree trunks quickly and efficiently in all harsh terrain conditions. In a suffocating moment, the forklift operator forgot to lower the safety bars. As the forks embraced the heavy load, the truck stalled, then suddenly tipped forward. Steel screeched, goods swayed, the entire construction site fell silent for a moment of horror. The power of this machine is impressive. When you need superior traction on rough terrain, the Massey Ferguson 265 is ready. The durable engine makes it easy to uproot large trees, making it quick to handle heavy clearing tasks. Wow. The moment the silo collapsed was breathtaking. A powerful and dramatic takedown that had the entire construction site holding its breath. It was exciting to see the MTZ 82.1 being hoisted up and suspended for transport. With its compact yet durable design, this tractor easily adapts to lifting and moving, demonstrating the versatility and reliability of modern mechanical technology. When heights become a challenge, the New Holland LM1745 SunTap is a true warrior. With a powerful 143 horsepower engine and a long reach boom, this machine easily handles heavy loads, delivering outstanding performance in every job site situation. At the port of Skulta, Latvia, the scene of timber transportation is bustling and powerful. Specialized forklifts with engines of hundreds of horsepower operate continuously, unloading large logs from ships to the yard, demonstrating maximum mechanical power and logistical efficiency. Spectacular scene in the mud. A powerful skidder with a 100 horsepower engine is pulling another skidder and a Chevy 4x4 stuck in the mud. With a resounding roar, the machine overcomes the deep mud, rescuing its teammates with incredible pulling power. If you are also passionate about such dramatic journeys, do not hesitate to leave comment number 1. It was breathtaking to watch the giant excavator slowly approach the old water tower, swinging its bucket to smash apart the concrete. With an engine capable of hundreds of horsepower, the machine created a scene that shook the ground, marking the end of an outdated structure. When the ground needs to be deeply improved, the big machines really come into their own. On the vast fields, Gebere's Borkscase IH Quad Track 450 and STX 375 roar with engines up to 450 horsepower, plowing and leveling the fields with power and efficiency. As the nation's infrastructure builds, the spectacle of the bridge-moving operations for the Indonesian High-Speed Rail, KCIC project, will become a target. Super long vehicles with 100 horsepower engines in concrete blocks, crossing the streets as a symbol of precision and capacity. In a powerful scene, the Hitachi 870 excavator performs powerful self-discharging operations with high precision. Equipped with an engine with a capacity of about 532 horsepower, this machine handles large loads easily, discharging soil and rocks quickly and smoothly on all harsh terrains. It is breathtaking to see a giant machine come back to life. In a spectacle of engineering and mechanical power, the process of reassembling the dismantled excavator is meticulously carried out. The hundreds of horsepower engine gradually starts up, ready to return to the construction site with its inherent power. A sight to behold at the Soteriatis/Labrianitis mining site. Giant Caterpillar 773B and Caterpillar 980C dump trucks being transported across rough terrain. With engines of hundreds of horsepower, they pack a formidable mechanical punch, ready for the heavy task ahead. The mini dredge swamp excavator makes an impressive sight as it moves steadily over thick snow and ice. With a powerful engine and a specialized track system, this machine traverses slippery terrain, demonstrating its superior strength and grip. The real challenge was just beginning in the muddy field. Two machines, Kiravet 701 and T150, were transporting fertilizer. Kiravet 701 with a 300 horsepower engine suddenly got stuck, roaring violently in an attempt to get out of the deep mud. Journey begins. The scene in Matarani. Peru becomes spectacular with the convoy of super wide and heavy loads. The extremely large capacity tractors, with hundreds of horsepower, roar through every corner, demonstrating the pinnacle of heavy logistics technology. When rails need to be restored with absolute precision, the RU-800S is the name to go for. With its synchronous motor system and huge horsepower, this giant machine acts as a mobile factory, automatically repairing and regenerating each heavy rail section. Efficient and versatile for cleaning water, the MC101 is the ideal solution. With its compact design, powerful propulsion motor, and dual U-shaped front cutters, this boat easily removes floating plants from ponds and lakes and is conveniently transported by the Converse CTP485. The Sandvik H621 underground excavator demonstrates outstanding power underground. Equipped with a 588 kilowatt diesel engine and a specialized design for the mining environment. This machine moves flexibly, shoveling effectively in harsh and challenging underground conditions. Wow. Sandvik Mining deploys powerful machines with engines of hundreds of horsepower. Each machine is a combination of advanced technology and impressive mechanical strength, ready to conquer any challenge. For maximum efficiency and large-scale composting, the Aeromaster PT190 pull type is the ideal choice. In an impressive demonstration, the machine shows off its power with a width of 16 feet and a tilting capacity of up to 8 feet, handling mixing, aerating, and adding inoculants in a single pass. When the power reaches its peak, the Caterpillar D8HE and D6R tractors with up to 650 horsepower combine to create a spectacular sight. Plowing deep into the huge fields, they plow the soil and rocks with tremendous traction, demonstrating the ultimate mechanical power. Leave a comment 1 if you feel fascinated by the performances of these impressive machines. Don't miss the WRP Star Stock butt end reducer that shows off its superior power. The roaring engine, the smooth operating mechanism, creating a powerful and fascinating mechanical harmony. always ready to conquer any challenge, the MES-34 roars its horsepower over large rocks like nothing. The powerful engine operates at full capacity. The wheels grip the ground tightly, creating a breathtaking off-road scene where mechanical power truly reigns supreme.
We're done. This little exercise on the corner over here. Feeling a lot better.
Not stopping there, there is one more thing you should know about the steel monster, Komatsu D575A, the world's largest bulldozer with an engine of up to 1,150 horsepower. Each time the bulldozer blade is lowered, the soil and rocks are pushed away like a tidal wave, creating a fierce, eye-catching, and unforgettable mechanical scene. In a heavy-duty job like this, just one pass and the torque from the wonderful machine is enough to clear all the grass on the edge of the road. The powerful engine roars loudly, creating a mechanical spectacle of precision, efficiency, and power. Absolute precision combined with superior power, Chemrock DMW220 enters the game. Leave number 1 in the comments if you want to see the full power of this machine in the next part. Come join me and witness the spectacular mechanical power of the Michigan 280 GM bulldozer. With an engine capacity of more than 300 horsepower, the machine roars fiercely, pushing each giant block of earth and rock with ease, creating a powerful and eye-catching construction scene. You won't want to miss this breathtaking moment. A Kamaz with an engine of over 200 horsepower gets stuck in a deep mud puddle. The wheels spin in despair until a rescue machine appears and pulls it out of the mud in a dramatic and powerful scene. Like machine number 3 at the beginning. The MSP 1000R concrete breaker on the 30-ton crawler excavator roared fiercely, biting through 3 sleepers at the same time, crushing the reinforced concrete layer like nothing. Oh no. An accident occurred due to unsafe lifting operations. The scene was both breathtaking and thought-provoking. If you are interested in this dramatic journey, Don't forget to leave comment number 1.
Move to the next one there. Can't unlock this door here.
Yeah.
Lads,
Still on busy now.
let's connect it.
If you watched the previous video, you'll probably recognize this monster entering the game. With a roaring engine of more than 300 horsepower, the car speeds up the stairs as if it were gliding on a flat road. Creating a spectacular and exciting mechanical display. That's terrible. The last 10-story apartment building is being demolished using a daring combination of ropes and heavy machinery. The engines roar loudly, and chunks of concrete collapse with a shuddering sound, creating a demolition scene that is both daring and satisfying. Do you remember the Belarus MTZ 1221.2? With its 130 horsepower engine roaring loudly, pulling a large homemade cart loaded with wood. Despite the harsh terrain, the machine still persisted, creating a spectacular and powerful mechanical spectacle. And here are the cars that cannot be missed. Peterson 2710D horizontal grinder, a powerful waste wood crusher with a high-capacity engine. The roar is loud. The grinding blade rotates wildly, processing mixed wood in a snap. If you are overwhelmed by the power of modern machines, leave comment number 1 to join us in discovering more impressive machines. It's incredible to see such destructive mechanical power. At Bessler's, machines with 200 horsepower engines roar like beasts, crushing, disassembling, and recycling cars in just minutes. Are you curious about what Volvo excavators will look like when combined with Caterpillar? Leave the number 1 in the comments section so I know for sure that you will be with me until the end of the video. The hundreds of horsepower engines operate at full capacity. The rocks and soil are pushed around with a thunderous sound, creating a breathtaking and dramatic mechanical scene.
वालेकुम सलाम जी जनाब क्यों जी बिलाल जी क्या हाल है ठीक हो है रे
A spectacular demolition took place when the Demarec DCC 65 concrete crusher came into action. With its powerful hydraulic motor, the machine tore apart steel and concrete structures like shredded paper. The grinding noise echoed, creating a dramatic and extremely satisfying demolition scene. Unbelievable. The off-road vehicle hurtled across the water at 80 kilometers per hour, its engine roaring loudly. Water splashed everywhere as it bathed itself in the rolling waves, creating a breathtaking and exciting display of horsepower. As shown in the previous video, the trio was working on the cliff, and now the trio of Suaco S500, MJK 480 DTX, and Mary Crusher with their huge horsepower engines roar fiercely, sweeping away all kinds of dense trees. The mechanical spectacle is breathtakingly captivating. When horsepower hits its limit, all limits are broken. John Cohen goes all out in the 8,000-pound class. Does this roaring engine make you want to own one? Let me know. The 545 saw, though powerful, was not strong enough to pull the 30 cubic meter Suma Uma tree. The saw blade was too small to cut through the giant tree, disrupting the entire process. Leave a number 1 in the comments if you are amazed by the power of modern technology. The black splitter Model S, one hydraulic wood splitter, when mounted on a mini excavator, easily splits hard logs in half thanks to its powerful compression force and specialized twisting head, improving efficiency and significantly reducing effort. This is exactly mechanical power and endurance. The Kraz 255B1 with its powerful diesel engine and 6x6 drive easily crosses rivers despite the strong currents. This legendary machine demonstrates incredible durability and off-road capabilities. Loading large logs is done by specialized transport machines or trailers with hydraulic cranes. With powerful engines and precise lifting systems, loading and unloading is fast, safe, and saves significant labor. Leave your number 1 in the comments section if you are also fascinated by this dramatic shipping journey.
Urat kaining.
Nothing can stop it. The Ural wooden truck with a powerful diesel engine and 6x6 drive system easily overcomes muddy off-road terrain. Flexible suspension and specialized tires help the vehicle maintain balance and traction in harsh conditions. Logging machines with powerful engines work tirelessly, moving logs from the tree roots to the log ponds over muddy, steep roads. Powerful transmission systems and specialized designs help overcome all-terrain challenges. All-terrain. Remember? In the previous video, the machine started working in the snowy mountains now. The heavy-duty truck with powerful engine and multi-speed transmission easily conquers steep mountain slopes. The pneumatic braking system and traction control help the vehicle maintain stability when transporting heavy goods on rough terrain. A dramatic rescue, as the truck was pulled out of the ravine using an industrial cable system. With a powerful winch motor and steady pulling force, the machine easily brought the truck back up the hill, proving its superior strength and reliability. An unfortunate accident occurred when the tree crashed onto the roof, clearly demonstrating the lack of experience in operating machinery. Incorrect control or misjudging the direction of the fall can cause serious consequences and great damage.
Wow! Look at that house.
The most interesting part is yet to come. Heavy-duty log trucks with powerful engines and powerful drive systems overcome winding, steep mountain roads. Thanks to flexible transmission systems and load control capabilities, they conquer all challenges of rugged terrain. As expected, the TDT-55 with its powerful diesel engine pushes each heavy log out of the forest, working in harmony with the durable Kamaz timber truck. The two machines combine to create superior power, helping to increase the speed of transportation in harsh jungle conditions.
Сколько? Купатура, привет.
Have you ever seen giant logs handled so neatly? With a homemade splitter that can split up to 66,000 pounds with a steep crane trailer. Leave a number 1 in the comments if you want to see the full power of this machine in the next part. So eye-catching. Loaded logs are drifting down the swamp, controlled by powerful steering and turning. The powerful hydraulic motor and flexible drive system help the machine operate stably, handling heavy logs in challenging muddy conditions. No less impressive, the powerful Ursus tractor conquers the thick snow while pulling 20 heavy logs behind. Don't forget to leave the number 1 in the comments section if you are excited about this journey. It all started with the previous video, and now it's time to continue. The Mack truck is equipped with a powerful Detroit V8 engine and a Spicer 5x4 dual-clutch transmission, providing flexible and durable operation. In the acrobatic stunt with a heavy load of logs, the vehicle still maintains incredible strength and stability. Continuing the impressive series of equipment, the steel MS661 chainsaw comes with a 71-centimeter long Rollomatic ES light bar that can easily conquer a gray poplar tree up to 150 centimeters long. With a nearly 7-horsepower engine, the machine delivers powerful, fast, and precise cutting performance. Impressive power of Nisula N5 combined with 500H harvester head, working effectively even in heavy snow conditions. Powerful engine, flexible hydraulic system helps the machine handle slippery trees quickly, ensuring high performance in harsh weather. An ideal choice for harsh forest environments. The Logset 6F demonstrates outstanding strength when logging in deep mud conditions. With a high-power engine and optimized drive system, the machine remains flexible, ensuring efficiency and firm grip. Don't forget to leave comment number 1 if you are also interested in these powerful machines. Overwhelming. The Vermeer large wood grinder with high-power motor easily crushes monster-sized tree stumps. Sharp grinding blades combined with a powerful hydraulic system help process hardwood quickly, efficiently, and powerfully. A true monster of the demolition industry. Mobile crushing plants with capacities of over 1,320,000 pounds per hour easily process reinforced concrete and asphalt. With powerful crushers, side discharge conveyors, screening systems, and return conveyors, they efficiently turn every scrap into recycled material. Remember the scene from the previous video? Now for the next one. The Letourneau L1850JOY wheel loader has a very powerful engine, allowing it to lift tens of tons of material per load. With a powerful electric diesel drive system, this machine works effectively in mines and heavy-duty mining sites. More than just a machine, The Cat 535 is a testament to the power and versatility of modern logging. The power and versatility of the Cat 535 is truly breathtaking as it gracefully tumbles down the road, hauling huge logs. The SBR4 building material recycling screen is equipped with a 63mm square mesh, allowing for efficient classification. The input material is continuously fed by a Liebherr 541 wheel loader, ensuring fast and stable processing. Another demonstration of incredible mechanical power. The farm cart is fed into the Lefort 1400 mower, where the powerful hydraulic motor kicks into action. In a matter of seconds, the cart is shredded into neat, impressive pieces. The optimal solution for modern constructions, Liebherr ER934EW, is equipped with a powerful diesel engine, stable operation, and fuel economy. The advanced hydraulic system helps the machine perform digging, lifting, and rotating operations flexibly and accurately, suitable for many complex working conditions. A perfect example of efficient mechanical coordination. The CBI 5400 stump grinder, combined with the Caterpillar 324E crane, works powerfully, neatly handling stubborn tree stumps. Leave number 1 if you want to know the horsepower and mechanism of this machine in the next video. If you are looking for an efficient solution for splitting wood, the Woodcracker W1350 is the choice to consider. With its extremely strong pressing force, the Woodcracker W1350 delivers high performance, saving time and effort for all forestry jobs. Don't hesitate to leave comment number 1 to share your passion for technology. Before we get to this machine, let's recall the previous part when the machine worked on the cliff. Forwarder's log set 6F operates powerfully in the snow-covered forest. Thanks to its high-power engine and superior drive system, the machine processes wood efficiently in harsh, icy terrain. A great show of power. The TT4 with its durable diesel engine and impressive traction easily pulled the Kamaz 4310 loaded with timber out of the mud. The combination of high power and a strong transmission made it possible to overcome the harsh terrain spectacularly. During the transportation of oversized and overweight equipment, the low-profile multi-axle modular hydraulic dump truck transported the 220-ton Balaz stably. The high-capacity hydraulic system and super load-bearing chassis help handle the huge volume easily and safely. I can't believe the destruction. Providing the optimal solution for the forestry industry, the HSM-405H, combined with the HSM-208F, effectively exploits wood on rough slopes. With a powerful engine, flexible drive system, and superior terrain grip, this pair of machines conquers all challenges in the deep forest. Demonstrating the superior performance of modern forestry equipment. A giant cedar tree felled with just a chainsaw. If you are impressed with this chainsaw, please leave number 1 in the comments section. Unbelievable. The floodwaters in Rufford Ford rose to 5 feet, but the farmer still drove his powerful tractor through the raging waters. Don't forget to leave number 1 in the comments section to motivate us to make more interesting videos.
Oh my God.
Another testament to off-road prowess. Logging is carried out on both paved and rugged roads with the help of Ural log trucks, swamp trucks, and off-road vehicles. Powerful engines and 6x6 drive help conquer any challenge. Talking about this device, we cannot help but mention the powerful PL1 jaw loader. which picks up large logs and puts them on the KRAZ 260 truck bed. Thanks to the high-power hydraulic motor and sturdy jaw mechanism, the loading process is fast, efficient, and powerful. Leave comment 1 if you are interested in these powerful machines. Previously, we only saw the startup part of the machine and could not ignore the working part. The Logset 5 FGT is lifting a large pine tree with a Masera 71 crane mounted on a 4-cylinder truck. Combined with a chainsaw, the process of felling and transporting the wood is efficient and powerful. A spectacular demonstration of aviation power. The Boeing CH-2340 Chinook helicopter, with 2 powerful turboshaft engines, can lift and transport dozens of tons of timber. The synchronized dual rotor system helps it fly stably, conquering all harsh missions. Something was wrong. The water tower shook violently, then suddenly collapsed with a loud bang. Dust rose up, the machines immediately stopped working, leaving behind a chaotic and tense scene in the middle of the construction site. Leave a comment 1 if you are fascinated by the performances of these impressive machines. Amidst the boiling whirlpool, the DT-75 tractor struggled in the thick mud. The track spun, the engine roared, and mud was splashed everywhere, creating a breathtaking scene of strength and will to overcome the harsh terrain.
Бля, чуть-чуть не хватает. Двигается же. Его сносит, видишь? Все, стоит. Не, давай, все. Да ну, Леха.
Amidst the chaos at the port, a container weighing several tons suddenly fell. Immediately after, a giant crane rushed into action, hooked it tightly and slowly pulled it up amid the roar of its powerful engine. Too intense. The explosion of a water tower in Mogilev, Belarus shook the entire area. In a breathtaking moment, the giant structure collapsed with a thunderous bang, dust billowing up, creating a breathtaking yet horrifying scene. What followed was an impressive display of horsepower, as the excavator roared forward, pounding away with its steel bucket, causing the massive silo to shake. With the sound of metal colliding, the structure gradually collapsed, creating a chaotic yet exciting scene. Wow, what an exciting competition. Two tractors engage in risky maneuvers, the wheels gripping the rugged terrain. The engines roar loudly, each acceleration leaving the audience breathless in a dramatic power battle. Amidst the chaos of the rig, the thrilling rescue begins. The Kamaz vacuum truck roars forward, pulling the Ural water tanker that has just fallen into the warehouse. The engine roars, the wheels spin on the slippery snow. The T-130 started up, ready to continue writing history with the B-10. The engine roared, smoke billowed from the exhaust, marking an impressive turning point in heavy machinery technology, strength, durability, and a spirit of constant innovation. In addition, the exhaust gas denitrification system of the old Steg power plant in Lunin was detonated, causing a spectacular collapse. The 60-meter-tall structure, weighing approximately 15,400,000 pounds, crashed down with a loud bang, sending dust flying, a demolition moment that cannot be missed. If this scene excites you, don't hesitate to leave comment number 1. Under the roar of the engine, the giant crane was slowly loaded into the tank by the smooth coordination of heavy machinery. Each decisive and precise movement demonstrated the superior horsepower and control techniques of the operating team. Oh no. A 154,000-pound crane suddenly tipped over, creating a breathtaking moment in the middle of a construction site. Who will win this battle of horsepower? The giant K701 roars to challenge the two Valtras in a thrilling rematch. Wheels spin, dirt flies, and the roar of engines creates a dramatic scene. At the top of the challenge, the Tatra 815 V12 bi-turbo roars fiercely, billowing white smoke as it conquers the steep slopes of Jasna. Comment number 1 if you like the power of this machine. Besides, in the middle of the rugged Bekov terrain, the twin-turbocharged Tatra 815 V12 roared like thunder, pulling a crane weighing tens of tons. The striking Felbermeyer blue color, the powerful engine rolls powerfully, conquering every challenge in a spectacular way. Oh no. The crane was too small to lower the food grinder to the ground, but lost its balance. The giant machine crashed to the ground, dust flying. The engine roared and then fell silent in the suffocating chaos. Unbelievable power. The 45,000-pound steel coil was lifted by a forklift and then dropped onto a medium-sized vehicle with a violent impact. The sound of metal colliding resounded. The powerful demolition scene made viewers unable to take their eyes off, both satisfying and breathless. unbelievable. Without the need for a backup excavator, the truck struggled to pull 300,000 pounds up the slippery mud slope. The engine roared loudly. The wheels plowed deep into the thick mud, creating a spectacular display of power and determination. Unique, the unpowered wooden barge tilts 30 degrees to release the entire trunk into the water. The clever design allows for self-loading of cargo, while the entire train is pushed by the tugboat C-Span King, an innovative and efficient solution for transporting timber. Machine number 4 once amazed you with its terrible power. Now, a truck stuck in the mud, desperate and helpless, forced to ask for the intervention of the monster Caterpillar D6E crawler tractor to rescue. The heavy vehicle escaped the danger in a dramatic and powerful rescue.
Embarquei. Agora eu vou puxar o caminhão aqui, ó. Puxar o caminhão, o trator.
It is impossible to take your eyes off this spectacular sight. A heavy-duty truck with an engine of over 600 horsepower is pulling a load of up to hundreds of tons. Each turn of the wheel is a testament to the pinnacle of mechanical strength and extraordinary durability on all terrains. On the slippery, muddy, steep road, the 620 horsepower log truck showed its overwhelming power. The wheels spun, the engine roared, and each log weighing several tons was still pulled firmly, regardless of the difficult terrain. In the harsh terrain, the tractor with a powerful winch and a 400 horsepower engine is struggling to pull the Tatra loaded with heavy timber. The winch rope is tight, the wheels are grinding the ground, creating a dramatic rescue scene and great mechanical power. Are you impressed by the power of this truck? Drop a 1 in the comments if you are too.
Блядь, пальцев мерзнет.
When power requires flexibility to conquer rugged terrain, the LKT 130 ITL with a 130 horsepower engine combined with a flexible hydraulic arm creates a powerful wood pulling screen. Each decisive, powerful movement helps to quickly process wood on complex terrain in a spectacular way. Oh my gosh. Kenworth Road Train is crossing the river in Australia with incredible strength and durability. This giant truck carrying heavy cargo is facing a great challenge when crossing the fast-flowing water. Finally, it can cross this river safely. Like an ice warrior, the Star 244 Turbo with its 150 horsepower turbocharged engine glides across the dangerous thin ice. This is not just a job, but a harsh challenge that requires skill, resilience, and an indomitable will to face nature. Amidst the wild scenery and muddy challenges, the Kraz 260V and ZIL 131 test the muddy road together. The superior power of both vehicles allows them to easily overcome all obstacles, demonstrating their relentless ability to grip the road. If you love these machines, don't hesitate to share your feelings by leaving a comment number 1.
Ну, сейчас в последнее время не вылазит из этой ямы.
Amidst the white snow, the Volvo with a 540 horsepower engine roared as it pulled the stuck truck out of the deep ditch. Under the spectacular pulling force, the wheels spun, the cables tightened, creating a breathtaking moment in the harsh, cold nature. Like a tireless steel arm, the Senebogen 818E with its 168 horsepower engine works tirelessly on site. The flexible crane brings piles of wood waste into the mobile crusher, turning waste into recyclable material quickly and efficiently. Appearing as a warrior to clear the ground, the Caterpillar 349F with 425 horsepower engine easily pulls up large tree stumps in large-scale clearing projects. The hydraulic arm extends. Each mass of tree roots is lifted, leaving the ground impressively clean. Next is the dramatic hill-climbing performance of the truck carrying dozens of tons of wood. With the engine of more than 600 horsepower roaring, the car slowly crawled up the steep slope, the wheels grinding the road surface, showing extraordinary traction and incredible durability. With a resounding rumble, the Caterpillar excavator with an engine of more than 300 horsepower crashed into the solid structure. The excavator bucket flew wildly. Large pieces of concrete cracked and collapsed, creating a spectacular demolition scene where the power of steel crushed an entire building. Leave comment number 1 if you see this machine as a steel monster roaring in the wild. In the face of harsh nature, only truly powerful machines can stand firm. The TDT-55 appears as an invincible machine. With a 160 horsepower engine, it quietly overcomes deep mud, steep slopes, and dangerous obstacles, completing the work of hauling logs in the most extreme conditions. In a spectacular equipment rotation, the Liebherr 518 speeder and O and K wheel loaders were dismantled to make way for the new Liebherr 518 stereo. With a 143 horsepower engine, the new machine is agile and powerful, ready to take on any loading and unloading job on site. In the tense situation on the slippery mud road, the first Ural got stuck. The front of the car fell deep into the ditch and was forced to stop. Immediately, the K700 with a 300 horsepower engine and an attached excavator rushed in, pulling the car out of danger in a suffocating moment. Don't forget to leave number 1 in the comments section if you're excited about this journey. A testament to the perfect combination of power and technology, the Class 950 with its engine of over 500 horsepower is combined with the Wüst B BHKE 100 crusher. Under the enormous mechanical power, large logs are swept into the crushing chamber and turned into chippings in just a few seconds of roaring. Amidst the cold white snow scene, the giant Kirovets K701 with a 300 horsepower engine struggles through the thick snow. Despite its superior power, the wheels still spin hopelessly, creating a breathtaking moment in the harsh nature. Appearing like a giant on the construction site, the Caterpillar 988B wheel loader is equipped with a 450 horsepower engine that easily lifts huge loads. Each powerful, decisive shoveling stroke demonstrates durable strength, helping to handle heavy materials in harsh environments effectively. On Roger Martin's massive construction site, the Caterpillar 631G and D10T duo demonstrate their superior power. With engines of 500 and 700 horsepower respectively, They work together to level and move dirt and rocks, transforming the barren landscape into a perfect flat surface. If you are amazed by the challenge this truck faced on the treacherous road, comment number 1 below. Oh my God. How to make space-saving stools from ash and oak wood for strength and high aesthetics. Using modern machines in the manufacturing process, the stools are not only convenient but also suitable for small spaces. If you love these machines, do not hesitate to share your feelings by leaving a comment number 1. Let's explore the fascinating world of CNC door design, focusing on creating intricate wooden door designs using CNC technology. CNC machines have revolutionized the wood processing industry, offering high precision and efficiency to execute complex designs. Let's dive into the steps involved in crafting a perfect wooden door design. Explore new wood carving techniques, from wood art to unique wooden door designs. By utilizing routers, CNC bits, and ASMR techniques, these methods help create delicate, high-quality furniture pieces. Detailed wood carving blueprints will offer creative inspiration for both beginners and professional craftsmen. Creative ideas in woodworking lead to unique and refined products. The wood bending project creates stunning dining table designs that not only ensure aesthetic appeal, but also enhance creativity through the integration of modern wood bending techniques. These dining tables are not just furniture pieces, but true works of art. The process of transforming large logs into planks begins with the use of saws and splitters to cut the wood into uniform pieces. Then, the planks go through grinding and smoothing stages to achieve precision and a fine finish, ready for further applications such as CNC carving or detailed machining. This process turns raw logs into finished products that meet high technical standards. The wood transport truck, equipped with a powerful 400 horsepower engine, effortlessly crosses dangerous bridges. Despite the harsh conditions of the bridges, the truck operates smoothly, ensuring safe wood transportation across challenging terrains and guaranteeing work efficiency. It's truly surprising to see the powerful tow truck sliding large logs with the Hittner EcoTrack 120-volt skidder on the Rocky Mountain. The impressive engine and strong horsepower allow the truck to effortlessly navigate the rugged terrain, with the roar of the engine echoing through the air. The log diameter exceeded 47 inches, but the Comptech Axtor 8012 with its 500 horsepower engine swallowed the giant log. The automatic processing mechanism and intelligent control system allow the wood crusher to be fast and efficient, meeting all the requirements of the harsh work. Overwhelmed by the power of this machine? Drop a number 1 in the comments if you feel the same way. The Janssen FS20 Speed Splitter, with its powerful 200 horsepower engine, is the ideal tool for wood splitting. The machine allows for quick and precise splitting, optimizing the processing workflow, improving work efficiency, and reducing handling time, ultimately delivering outstanding productivity. Although modern technology offers superior speed and automation, the pull saw with its powerful engine and distinctive sound still has its unique charm. Their mechanical precision clearly showcases craftsmanship and practicality, highlighting the elegance of these classic tools. In contrast to modern saw machines, this one is outdated and poses significant risks. Equipped with a 100 horsepower engine, the machine can still operate, but it carries a high risk of malfunction, such as the sudden breakage of the saw blade, which could be dangerous for the operator. Next, at the wood manufacturing plant, the precision saw machine creates uniform wooden planks for CNC carving. With modern technology and high precision, the machine produces flawless wood products, meeting the demands of intricate CNC carving and enhancing product quality. Tree monsters are no match for the professionalism of those holding chainsaws in their hands. With a powerful engine and 300 horsepower, the wood saw is like a super machine, helping experts easily conquer giant tree trunks. Drop the number 1 below the article if you are also fascinated by its power. After harvesting, transporting wood is an important step, and the NOE 170-4R, with its powerful engine and 27.55 cubic meters traction. With its superior design, the machine helps to improve work efficiency, reduce operating time, and increase productivity. The continuous development of technology has made the John Deere 1270G harvester a top choice in the agricultural industry. With its automated control system and smart sensors, the machine helps identify and process trees with precision. Leave a comment with the number 1 if you're looking for a powerful and efficient solution to remove stumps quickly. In the wood processing industry, the Loftness grinder, combined with the powerful 240 horsepower engine of the Deere 325G and ASVRT 120F, easily shreds trees quickly and efficiently. With an optimized design, these machines help boost productivity, save time, and reduce costs in the wood processing process.
I appreciate it.
When the gearbox got stuck in the middle of the construction site, everything seemed to come to a standstill. But the solution came from the MTZ-82, a Belarusian tractor with a powerful 81 horsepower engine. Roaring loudly, it pulled the troubled vehicle out of trouble decisively and efficiently. A monster weighing tons suddenly appeared from the deep forest, carrying a huge cargo bed full of wood. The engine roared loudly. The giant machine rushed into the muddy roads without hesitation, tearing the mud like a storm of steel. In a powerful display of mechanical power, the Batum MDK-2M, a heavy tracked vehicle like a fighting machine, appeared. With a diesel engine of more than 415 horsepower, the BAT roared fiercely. Its tracks crushed mud, gravel, and overcame all harsh terrain. Nothing beats the power of the mining monster, the Belaz 75710. This is the world's largest dump truck with two engines producing a combined 4,600 horsepower and carrying up to 992,000 pounds. Leave comment 1 if you are also impressed by this giant machine. In the midst of challenging construction sites, the Mary Crusher MC4-180 and Rotator, a direct drive hydraulic crusher, shows its impressive power. Mounted on an excavator, this device easily clears ditch edges, crushing all obstacles with its extremely powerful and precise hydraulic motor. Unfortunately, that's exactly what happened. A Komatsu 855 was trying to pull its overturned brother off the edge of a slope. The 231 horsepower engine roared, the wheels churning through the mud in a dramatic rescue attempt in the middle of a treacherous jungle. Amidst the deep, flooded and muddy forest landscape, the Valtra forestry tractor appears like a steel warrior. With its 250 horsepower engine roaring with power, it conquers slippery terrain, pulling heavy logs with power and precision. If you are looking for an efficient solution for large-scale mining projects, the Caterpillar 992G wheel loader is the ideal choice. With a roaring 814 horsepower engine, each giant bucket easily scoops coal into the truck. If you are interested in these thrilling scenes, don't forget to leave comment number 1. Don't miss the impressive sight of the lagoon excavator in action. With an upgraded 275 horsepower engine and a 10-inch 4-port header series pump, this machine handles mud and dirt with outstanding efficiency in challenging flooded environments. A dramatic rescue. The John Deere 7R was stuck in a deep puddle. The engine roared helplessly. Immediately, the tractor equipped with a high-capacity winch and a JCB bucket assisted in pulling, coordinating smoothly to free the machine from the muddy terrain. The excavator was almost completely swallowed by the deep mud pit. In that suffocating moment, the Valmet excavator with its powerful engine combined with the machine's muscular arms slowly lifted it up, restoring hope in the midst of the hopeless quagmire. This is the incredible power of the John Deere tractor wheel. With a 350 horsepower engine, each rotation creates a huge pulling force, easily conquering mud and difficult terrain. That pulling force is not only powerful, but also a mechanical art. Leave comment number 1 if you believe that these giant machines not only improve work efficiency, but also save a lot of time in heavy industry. The worst challenges ever attempted by a tractor are now spectacular. On a narrow, suffocating road, the machine has to turn around in almost impossible spaces. The 300-plus horsepower engine roars, pushing the limits with impressive precision. Wow. An amazing mechanical display occurred when the truck loaded with dirt and rocks suddenly overturned. Immediately, the heavy excavators and backhoes with roaring engines rushed to the rescue. Each powerful lift took the breath away of the spectators. The power of this machine is really impressive, isn't it? Leave a 1 if you feel it too. On the snow-covered road, the Missouri snowplow tractor with 400 horsepower engine roared loudly. The sharp steel plow blade plowed through the thick layer of snow. The snow clearing action was surprisingly effective, opening a safe path in the harsh winter. The ZIL 157's best off-road moments were when it plunged into the muddiest terrain. With its roaring 104 horsepower engine, the legendary classic car raced through deep puddles, splashing mud, creating a spectacular and powerful performance. The PZM-2 regimental earth-moving machine is specially designed for digging holes and trenches in harsh conditions. With a 240 horsepower diesel engine, the hydraulic arm swings strongly. Each bucket of earth is scooped up decisively, demonstrating impressive power and precision. In an impressive display of power, the BTM-3 high-speed trencher appears, based on the ATT tractor platform, with a 415 horsepower diesel engine. The roar is resounding. The digging blade digs deep into the ground, creating deep trenches with great efficiency.
Ни один экскаватор с такой скоростью работать не сможет. И разработка ganda खींचकर
A spectacular sight as the 66-meter-long turbine blades are transported by a specialized lift. Powerful hydraulic systems, combined with high-powered engines roaring non-stop, propel the giant structure through curves and narrow terrain with precision and safety. It was impressive to see the self-propelled log truck working fully autonomously. With its integrated hydraulic gripper and powerful engine, the truck automatically picks up heavy logs and loads them into the box, while moving smoothly through the challenging jungle terrain. An exciting sight at Oosterhoutse as heavy equipment is brought in to pull a giant sand dredger. The powerful engines roar loudly. The tracks and tow ropes work at full capacity, creating a powerful and impressive mechanical display. With advanced technology and superior durability, Tata Hitachi 200LC is the main warrior in the quarry. The 134 horsepower engine roars continuously. The hydraulic arm swings up decisively, easily breaking the hard rock layer, speeding up the mining progress very effectively. An incredible display of power. The Belarus 82 tractor with an 81 horsepower engine roared fiercely, trying to pull the Mercedes weighing 110,000 pounds. Despite the huge difference, the wheels plowed through the mud, demonstrating remarkable pulling power. Being stuck in the sand is crazy. The truck transporting the drilling rig weighs dozens of tons and is stuck deep in the muddy road, the engine roaring and struggling to get out. Can it overcome this challenge? Leave comment number 1 if you believe it can.
About half a mile. So we got the skidder on the back. We're going to do her all in one motion.
A spectacular sight as the parallel lift system works at full capacity to lift a transport truck weighing tens of tons. The hydraulic motor roars loudly. Each cylinder lifts in sync, creating a perfect display of strength and precision. Adrenaline rushes through the air as the 1,000 horsepower off-road vehicle roars through the rugged terrain. Mud splashes, wheels spin on steep rocky slopes in a breathtaking display that leaves onlookers breathless with excitement.
Se lo mete mucho.
No lo suelta.
After hours of intense and harsh work, the two Hydramec HMK 220LC and HMK 300LC machines enter a relaxing bath time. The hundreds of horsepower engines temporarily stop roaring. High-pressure water sprays strongly, washing away mud and dirt from the dusty steel after the battle on the construction site. In a show of mechanical power, the 2017 Trek Freesack tractor, the premier heavy-duty series, made an impressive appearance. With a pulling capacity of 30,800 and 39,600 pounds, the engine roared loudly. The machine conquered the mud with ease, pulling huge loads smoothly. A spectacular transport operation between the mountains of Crans, Montana, the Plain Morte Funitel cable system begins its journey to conquer the colossal load. The 143,000-pound cable reel is lifted by a powerful crane, the engine roaring loudly in the majestic space. If you love these machines, don't hesitate to share your feelings by leaving a comment number 1. This is the fastest unloading speed I have ever seen. Volvo FH16650, logging truck with 650 horsepower engine runs smoothly and powerfully. Hydraulic arm works continuously, picking up and unloading each heavy log in a split second with precision and power. Amidst the bustling construction site in Lucerne, BRC Brexter steps into action with a vengeance. Don't hesitate to show your impression of this mighty machine by leaving your number 1 in the comments section. spending a day of turbulence at the heavy-duty mining site, the Tata Hitachi 370 roars like thunder, its 247 horsepower engine running at full power. The steel arm slams decisively into the cliff, causing huge blocks of rock to collapse. Have you ever seen the true power of an off-road machine? The Kamaz 53228 logging truck, with its 500 horsepower engine, roars loudly, easily transporting 44,000 pounds of logs through mud and challenging roads. Oh no, a horrifying scene happened right on the highway. The car transport vehicle suddenly caught fire fiercely while many cars were still on it. The fire flared up. Black smoke billowed, causing everyone who witnessed it to panic. This breathtaking scene is not to be missed. On the rugged slope, the 6 cubic meter excavator with a powerful engine is working tirelessly. No matter the angle of inclination, the body of the vehicle looks precarious enough to make the viewer's heart stop. Leave comment number 1 if you are excited about the power of these giant machines. What an impressive test of strength. At the Queensland mine, a Cat 793 3F dump truck with an engine of over 2,400 horsepower roars loudly, carrying hundreds of tons of ore over the harsh rocky terrain. Every movement is a testament to the pinnacle of mechanical power. Once started, the Fecon Stump X works vigorously, grinding the stump accurately and quickly. The scene is full of power and technique, demonstrating the superior power of this specialized machine. Not only that, the CBI Magnum 8,400 Hz hog force at De Beer BVBA operates strongly, crushing all stubborn materials. The engine roars, the machine operates stably, creating a powerful and incredibly effective scene in every movement. Not to be missed, the Letourneau L2350, the world's largest wheel loader, the only one designed to handle the massive Terex MT6300. This machine operates powerfully, demonstrating superior strength and unrivaled class on every job site. At this moment, the XCMG hydraulic excavator and tractor work together to dismantle the straw trailer on the tense riverbank. Do you think the truck can be saved? Leave your thoughts in the comments.
Vai embora, vai embora, vai, vai, vai. Vai, 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 pode ir. Pode tirar o caixote.
Oh no, the Doosan Moxie MT41 ADT dumped the load in the wrong direction, causing a serious accident. The Moxie MT41 dump truck lost balance and overturned on the side of the road, scattering rocks and dirt everywhere. The unexpected and tense scene made anyone who witnessed it feel a heart attack.